देखो ना, इसमें सबसे बड़ा नंबर कौन सा है? 15। तो इसको ऐसे अरेंज कर लो, 15 इंटू 14, डॉट मीन्स इंटू, राइट? 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, राइट? नाउ फैक्टोरियल में चेंज करने के लिए हमको चाहिए 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1। मैनिपुलेट किया हमने, ज़बरदस्ती डाला है उसको। तो 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 नीचे, ऊपर हो गया फैक्टोरियल 15 अपॉन फैक्टोरियल 6। यही आंसर होगा, चेक कर लो। ये होता है प्रूव दैट वे। इसको PNN क्या होगा? ये NPN, यही तो है मतलब इसका सिम्बॉलिकली, and which is equal to factorial n upon factorial n minus n, which is 0 and which is 1. So this is factorial n. This is your left hand side, right? Now we are taking right hand side. Okay, 2p n minus 2. So this is actually 2n twice of np n minus 2. Right? Okay. So we can write right hand side as 2p, which is equal to twice of np n minus 2. So this is by definition twice of factorial n upon factorial n minus, this is actually n minus n minus 2. So this will be n minus n plus 2. N cancel. Factorial 2 is 2. So 2 will be cancelled. Proved. And next question is, see, prove that this is okay. So left hand side is factorial 2n upon factorial n. Let 2n is greater than n. So we will open this as first number will be 2n, 2n minus 1, 2n minus 2, and so on. It will be 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, like this. Okay. Upon factorial n. This is, I am not going to open this. Right. Now, 2 is common from here, 2. Right. So, if this is 2n, so half of the terms will be even and half of the terms will be odd. I mean, half number of terms you will get 2 common and another one will be odd. So this is 2 and the next one 2n, and this is as it is, but we can take a 2 common from here. So after this the term will be 2n minus 3 and 2n minus 4 and so on. So how many 2's we will get common? 2 to the power n, because n factors will be here from which we can take 2 common. Yes or no? You are getting it now? This will be 2n, 2n minus 1, 2n minus 2, 2n minus 3, 2n minus 4 and so on. So how many 2's we are getting from this? Total number of term is 2n. For example, suppose 50. So 25 factors, from 25 factors we will get 2 common. Rest of the terms as it is we will put, right? So how many 2's we are getting 2 from here? So this will be n minus 1. So n and n minus 1 we have got. Next term is 2n minus 3, but next one will be 2n minus 4. So again 2 will common, n minus 2 and so on. From this 6, we will get a 2 into 3, 5 as it is, and then 4, 2 into 2, 3 as it is, then 2 and 1. Like this it is. Now, what we are going to do, so we can write down, right. Now, see that we have to prove something else. So, see what we are getting. If I write down 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 2 1, whatever the number I will get after product, same product I can get from here. We will get the same thing. So now, how many 2's? 2 to the power n, right? So I am taking few terms together. For example, n minus 1. So obviously we are getting n minus 2 here. N minus 2. And from here, we will get 7. 14, we will get a factor. So 7 into 2. 2 we have taken here. And 7. And then we are getting 6, we have break. 2 into 3. So 1, 2 has gone here. And 3 will be here. So 5, right? And then 3 and 1. Like this we will get. Okay. All even 2 product 2 वाला factor इधर पे आ गया. And but there are so many terms. For example, 2n minus 1 is here, 2n minus 3 is here, 2n minus 5 is here, and so on after that. And upon factorial n. So the numerator, we can write down, these terms will give you here. So we are getting, for example, we have got 2. So 2 here, but 1 is here, right? So here also we are getting with this there are factors 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 also. With this also, these are the odds here. So it will decrease. It will give us factorial n. Yes or no? See, 1753 is for this sequence. Let me explain. We have got 2 into n, then 2n minus 1, then 2 common, n minus 2. But this sequence has also 4, 3, 2, 1, 10 also there. इस सीक्वेंस के लिए भी तो है वो टर्म्स. इस सीक्वेंस के लिए 6 भी है, 5 भी है, 10 भी है, सब कुछ तो है. तो ये 3 हम इधर भी ले सकते हैं, उधर इधर लिया तो एक और 3 ऑलरेडी है. इस सीक्वेंस का भी तो है 3. हाँ, इस सीक्वेंस का भी तो 5, 9 ये सब है ना. एक बार तो ब्रेक किया है, ठीक है. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि ये खत्म हो गया. तो इसका भी तो है, ठीक है ना. तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल हम ऐसे बता रहे हैं, मान लो हम लोग 100 नंबर्स हैं, 1 to 100. एक बार देख लो इसको. तो 1 तो है ही, उनके बाद 2, 3 ऐसे करके नंबर्स हैं. ठीक. मान लो ये फैक्टोरियल 100 वाला है. तो 100 है तो 99 है, 98 भी है. तो इसके साथ भी तो हमारा लास्ट में 4, 3, 2, 1 है ना. है ना. अच्छा, इसके साथ हमारा 5 भी है, इसके साथ 6 भी है, इसके साथ हमारे पास 7 भी है. तो 14 का फैक्टर भी 7 into 2 होगा. हाँ, और ऑलरेडी 7 एक है. एक 7. तो एक सीक्वेंस बनेगा n into n minus 1 into n minus 2, जो ये वाला है, ये वाला जो ले रहे थे. ठीक. उसके साथ हमने एक 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 कर दिया, और रेस्ट नंबर्स यहाँ 2 टू द पावर n लिखा। ये सब न्यूमरेटर का काम हो रहा है। और नीचे क्या रह जाएगा, 2n-1, 2n-3 एंड अगेन ऑल दीज नंबर 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 अपॉन फैक्टोरियल n, राइट। अब यहाँ पे सिर्फ ऑड सी बचेंगे क्योंकि 2 टू द पावर n कॉमन आ गया है हमारे पास, n फैक्टर्स। तो ऊपर बच गया 2 टू द पावर n फैक्टोरियल n, एंड अब हम लिख सकते हैं उल्टा करके इसको 1 3 5
7 9
4 नहीं 1 3 5 7 9 and last one will be 2n-1, ये वाला, राइट, अपॉन फैक्टोरियल n। कट गया, क्या बचा, यही जो प्रूफ करना था। ठीक ना, तो हो गया, फैक्टोरियल n कट गया।